Everybody, thank you very much for tuning in for this viewer mail episode. Hi, Susie.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. What is going on? Susie, what's going on?
What is going on? I am recovered from our creeper walk.
Yes.
So, I don't know if you guys have seen that yet,
Yeah, probably so.
but we did our 34-mile creeper walk in about 12 hours.
Yeah.
And you're really sore when you're done, but now I'm back to feeling great, so.
Let me tell you all what happened on that trip. Something that you did not see. So I wore new shoes. Long story, there was a reason why I wore them. Anyway, I had an issue with a blister, right? Well, I took care of it, I addressed it, and basically on the way back to Damascus, after doing like 17 plus miles, my toe started to hurt. And instead of addressing the issue, I just He-Man through it, you know? And there was a point where I was hiking along, and it was like a explosion of pain. And what that was my toenail detaching from my toe.
Oh.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
the blister gotten so big. Overall, my feet were in pretty good shape except for that one toe. Even though I had addressed it earlier in the day, but it was dark. I was just He-Manning it, and I paid the price. So,
That toe. Oof.
you like it?
So gnarly looking.
Anyways, to start off here, what do we have?
Okay, from James. Open this envelope.
Ah, we have a letter here.
Oh, right, a letter. So, James is from Highland Beach, Florida.
I have no idea where that's at.
Dear Outdoor Gear Review, I was wondering if you'd be interested in doing any fishing videos during some of your outdoor escapades anytime soon. He's interested in ice fishing and videos where you rely on getting food from the land or water rather than bringing your own various prepared foods with you and actually living maybe without Tasters Nasty. James,
What?
without?
Without coffee, man?
No. Please continue the outstanding work and thanks. I'll keep watching. So, very nice, James. Thank you for your letter. Thank you for writing in.
Yeah.
And we love to hear everyone's suggestions.
Yeah, so keep them coming.
Keep them coming. It gives us good ideas. Have you ever went ice fishing?
No, and that's not something really that happens here in North Carolina.
Yeah.
You really do need to be further up north in colder locations. I mean, maybe once or twice a year everything will freeze over, but it's short-lived.
This one comes from Susie. Hey, that's my name.
How's it going, Susie? Hope you're doing well.
She wrote on the package, enjoy. So, is that a hint?
Hmm.
Oh my gosh, it is a hint.
Ah,
Something delicious.
well, these are Japanese or Korean, so I
Oh,
don't know.
they are Korean.
Korean.
Ooh, thanks for your vids. They inspired me to get out, inspired me to start camping and bushcrafting. Susie. That's awesome.
Yeah.
This is all-in-one Korean coffee sticks. One is weak. The best is 3
Okay.
strong.
Wow.
Whoa.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that is so nice.
Yeah.
They look like something similar. I think I'm going to love those.
There is something that has a similar package, but
Yeah.
it is different.
Yeah. Buggy.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, that's so
Thank you
great.
so
Thank
much,
you.
Susie.
Thank you. This comes from Mike.
Thank you so much, Mike. We do appreciate it. Big time, buddy. I hope you are doing well. Where's Mike from?
Mike is from Georgia.
Georgia. I bet it's nice and cold down there, right? And when I say cold, I mean hot. So.
I bet you opened from the bottom. And you know, he would, but I just kind of started ripping the tape. So, yeah.
I would have definitely gone through the bottom.
Yeah, he definitely would. So I ruined that, didn't I? Luke and Susie, hope all is well with you guys. Keep making the videos and uplifting people during this time. Hope you enjoy the gifts.
Wow.
Thank you, Mike.
Wow, thank you so much.
Oh, wow.
So-
Instant coffee. Oh, my gosh.
Wow.
Look, honey.
What? It's for Whoa.
Oh, my gosh.
That is awesome. What?
Oh,
Wow, dude.
oh, my gosh, Mike. That is so generous. Oh,
Whoa.
Whoa.
Check that out.
I
Let's
am
see.
so stoked.
That is amazing, brother. Wow.
Wow.
I
I
didn't
mean-
even know you can do that.
Look at that. The logo, it has our names.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Wow, Mike, if you were here, buddy, I would shake your hand. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, and we've got the coffee.
Yeah.
Wow.
What type of coffee is this? Have you ever heard of this before?
I have not heard of this. Quality instant coffee.
I'm shocked. I'm absolutely shocked.
I am too. I'm blown away. Everyone is so generous and so kind. And
Yeah. That looks so good too.
it does. I love it. I
Yeah.
can't wait to try it. So
I tell you what, just having just like the no color logo, man, I really like that.
It looks
It almost
good.
makes me want to change ours just a little bit.
like a refresh.
Yeah, like a refresh because
yeah.
that's smart, man.
That is so.
Yeah, good work.
So nice.
Thank you so
Wow.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, talking about being blown away, when we went to the post office the other day, I was floored. And the woman said, "Hey, I hope you have your back brace ready because this thing is heavy."
Yeah, and we were like, oh my gosh, like how heavy? Because she said that before in the past, but this one was really heavy. So
Check this thing. Look at this. Whoa. What we have here is a table that unfolds. It has legs, and then you have like two basins that you can cover up. So you could do just about anything with this. And I could see this for like being used for multiple purposes. Overland and also at Lone Wolf.
this came from Cole with Cold Creek Outfitters, and he says, Luke, you are the man.
No, man, you are. But thank you.
We absolutely love your YouTube channel, and he just says thank you so much for putting out amazing content each day.
My pleasure.
This is the ultimate workstation that they designed. So
And it is awesome.
It
It
is
is
awesome.
awesome. Thank you so much. If we weren't out of park, I would actually get this out and set it up, but you all will see this in the future with the channel.
definitely, I can't wait to use it, put it to use, do some overlanding, and we'll definitely be getting this out and
Right.
using it. So
I mean, check this out. So we have the table set up. We have our coffee cups. We have some Korean coffee to go with. And we might mix it with this stuff too, because why not?
we'll try everything.
That's how I roll. I mix it, I run super fast, I go blind. I can't hear.
Instead of mixing it, I do multiple cups. So where you have like 3 in 1, I have 3 actual cups. All right, everybody, that is it for this viewer mail episode. Thank you guys so much for your generosity. I love the emails we get, the letters, the packages. I love hearing from everyone. Luke and I both are engaged with you guys on a daily basis through emails and messages, and I love every second of it. We love suggestions.
Please keep them coming.
Keep
Please
them
do.
coming. Critiques, whatever. Please
Oh,
let
yeah.
us know. We're happy to listen to you, and I mean, we really just can't say thank you enough to the wonderful generosity that you guys show us.
So, everyone, thank you all very much. Until next time, strength and honor. Goodbye.
Bye.